Boot camp has been fun. I've met a lot of great people. I've learned a lot of new ideas that I never thought about with building my business and my brand.
Oh my gosh, the educational opportunities that we have as agents at KHM, they're unmatched. I can't imagine that anyone else has the opportunities that we have.
I would definitely encourage any new agent or any agent that they weren't sure about boot camp to come to boot camp.
This is my first boot camp. Yes, I've been here 2.5 years, but I've never been to boot camp. I thought, it's time to really get more information about how to build a business as an agent.
I knew that I needed the skills, the knowledge, the tools to get me to where I wanted to be, to give me the confidence that I needed to confidently book travel for people.
I thought I was doing everything right, but I wasn't really sure if I was doing everything right, training-wise and execution-wise of all of the bookings that I was doing. So coming to boot camp was a great confidence boost and also energized me to go even further.
Boot camp was awesome. These last 3 days, even though I've been doing it for a while, it was so much still that I learned. And being a travel agent, you're never going to know everything.
So I think I learned something at each individual session, whether it was a break or whether it was an actual session from the suppliers or something that the office staff was actually providing to us.
When you're home-based and you're doing a lot of online training, it can be overwhelming. But when you hear the stories from the teachers and other people who are attending, it helps make boot camp more real world experience. You really get more of that, how to interact with people coming to boot camp.
Networking is going to be key to this business and understanding who you're connected to and having the experience of coming to boot camp to learn from different agents, not only the office staff, but also even the suppliers can be very beneficial to your business.
I wanted to see people and talk to people and develop those relationships that I know are so important when you come to any KHM live events.
The teachers have been awesome, very personable. I will give major shout out, I guess, to Rick Zimmerman. He, I think, as a leader of KHM, really cares about not only the agents, but his team in the office. I saw that a lot with coming to boot camp and just seeing how everyone loved their job. Everyone cared about what they were doing.
As far as meeting everyone so far, KHM, everyone here rocks.
So the time here at boot camp has been amazing. I think they said it once we originally joined was you look at each other as strangers, but you're going to leave as family and friends.
And then would you recommend boot camp?
Yes. Yes, I would definitely recommend boot camp to any new agent.
The KHM events are always going to be a priority in our business plan. They're top notch.